Yeah, here it is, kid, listen up. It's my biz, the only kid that's on this shit, yeah. Chaos, I do it freestyle all across this, I can't not stop. I don't even need to top my own shit, yeah, better listen to it. Holla, yeah, I'm just trying to make $1, yeah. If you can't listen to me, then fucking shut it off, B, yeah. Don't even come closely to what I could do. The shit that I spew is only half of it. I mastered this craft, bitch, master of the fast arts. I am so fucking sick, my brain just farts. And then I make a stinky cloud. Here I go singing it loud. Here I am, proud of what I do, proud of myself, proud of the shit that I spew, yeah. I don't even need your fucking help. I got my fucking family with me. You can't stop it. I quit doing dope, but now I can finally see clearly. Yeah, clearly you can't fucking hear me, so you better fucking listen to what I do, cause I stayed true to everything that I got to say. I'm not here, I'm here to take it away. The Illuminati wants to try and stop me, they're after my body, but I stop them with a 12-gauge shotty. Motherfuckers know not to try and stop me. I'm on the shit, ain't no stopping it, B. I'm an MC, that'll leave you empty. Don't fucking tempt me, Asher Bling is the fucking shit. They call me Mr. Bling, Mr. Clean, I'm so Mr. Eco Green, yeah, Mr. Eco Clean, yeah, I drop this shit. I don't even need a dime to spend, I'm just making it, coming for mine. I want it all, I want it all, I got the fucking floss, my teeth, motherfuckers know that I just breathe this shit till I'm fucking down. Motherfuckers know that I wear this fucking crown. It is a fucking stocking cap. I do this shit for Canada just cause I'm fucking cold on my fucking raps. The shit, I don't have the voice to spit, but listen up to it, bitch. I'm so fucking sick, and they know me as a rapper, B, cause that's just me, ain't no fucking G. And I'm not fake, but I'm not a gangster. Yeah, I put this work in just to get some food on the plate and put it to the table. My boys are able to find anyone that I'm looking for just to fucking bring a war, yeah. I want that gun. To have one, yeah, I gotta shoot the sun. I'm living in the dark, where's the moon, where's my heart? I don't fucking know, I got the moon behind my ear though. Motherfuckers know I show no fear for God. I have no love, make them suck my rod. You can suck my slong. In this song I'm singing it all fucking wrong. I don't have a flow, I don't need to master it, yo, cause I'm the master of this fucking crap. Better fucking leave me alone before I chop you in half. Fucking break your back. My shit is whack and I can't fucking rap, but here I go letting you know that I'm from the 902, staying true to what I do. Summon my rhymes just to shatter your spine out my mind. I had it all, flushed it down the drain, then I went insane, lost my girl, now I got it back, and where's my world? Upside down, motherfuckers know that I never frown, never smile though. So here I go with this fucking optimist flow. Better fucking drop it, yo, cause you ain't shit to me. I'm just the best MC in Antigonish, where the fucking women smell like fish. Always so dirty, I fucking hate the bitches. They ain't shit to me, all they do is try to fucking hurt me. Fuck this shit, I got my girl, and Lainey is my world, and you ain't shit. Cause if you try to touch her, bitch, I swear to God I'll fucking break your neck and shoot you with the tech. I don't give a shit, I'm having unprotected sex cause she's all ready. You know what, just fucking scratch all of that and fuck you. Just scratch that last word, those last lines, just never said. Never said cause I'm losing it. I have no mind in my head. On an acapella, I chop a fella to mozzarella cause I'm so sick, I'm making a celery. Don't fucking stop me cause I'm fucking atrocious on this beat, B. Yeah, I'm an MC that'll leave you so empty. When the shit try to fucking tempt me, I pull out my tech and my jeans ain't ever empty. Beamer, Benz, or Bentley, I don't give a shit. You can't fucking tempt me cause I'm walking Mr. Nice. I paid the price to paradise, just waiting to get in. Yeah, I left behind the world of sin. Now I'm repenting to God cause I just want to show some love to the things that I got. And you don't got nothing cause you's a bitch, and you bluffing.